In this video we're going to do treble 7 together. So what we're doing is we're gonna put the next 7 stitches together using the treble stitch. So we're gonna just start off in the first one. I've already chained 3 to begin, so I'm gonna put the next 7 together. So I'm gonna wrap the hook twice as I normally would with trebles, and then going into the first one and then yarning over and pulling it through 2 and 2 and hold that on the hook. So because there's 7 plus the starting one here, you're looking for a total of 8 loops on your hook. So yarning over, going to the next one, pull through 2 and 2 and keep on going till you see 8 loops on the hook. It's easier to look for the amount of loops on the hook than it is sometimes to count, and therefore you can keep an eye on the TV. So what I like to do, I'm just gonna stop after this one. I don't know how far I am. What I like to do is using my finger, I say this is 4 and I can see that there's 3. So I know that I'm missing a loop. So I'm just gonna keep on going. This is the 7th one. So you can see that these 7 here are the actual stitch, and then this one is the starting. So once I'm finished, I just yarn over and pull through and bring everything together. So if this is normally in a pattern that's in a row, it might tell you to chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you're ready to stretch over to do the next stitch, just like you see right there. So this would be how you would do a treble 7 together.